What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Cashed Out, and today we're going to be talking about a question that a lot of creators, including myself, have been wondering about over the past couple months, and that's how do you monetize YouTube Shorts? With the rise of TikTok over the past couple years, a lot of the bigger social media companies have been trying to compete with the fast-growing short video juggernaut that TikTok is, and Instagram has been trying to do their own short video thing. YouTube has done its own short video thing with YouTube Shorts, and they've also just recently over the past few months released the YouTube Shorts Fund. If you don't know what the Shorts Fund is, according to YouTube, the Shorts Fund is a $100 million fund distributed over the course of 2021 through 2022. Anybody is eligible to participate in the fund simply by creating unique shorts that delight the YouTube community. So that's essentially what it is. It's just a pool of money that's been put together to be able to incentivize creators to create shorts on YouTube. So that's something that's a little bit newer to me. I honestly didn't know about it until I started doing research for this video because I was really curious of the purpose of YouTube Shorts. Obviously with our channel just recently hitting over 1,000 subscribers, we still had that 4,000 watch hour milestone to hit. So I was wondering if shorts could be something that can help us get to that point. But shorts views and short videos aren't counted towards your 4,000 watch hours limit. So I was wondering, how do you even monetize? How do you even capitalize on the short videos? And what's the point of them? If I don't care about TikTok, why should I care about YouTube Shorts? And it looks like there is a way to be able to monetize that, and that's through this Shorts Fund program. And we're gonna get into a little bit of details about that. It's relatively simple how it works, but it seems to be the only way to really monetize YouTube Shorts. With the Shorts Fund program, basically anybody qualifies to be a part of that program. The only thing that you need to do to be able to put your hat in the ring with that is to essentially make a YouTube short that matches community guidelines and doesn't have any copyright issues, and also is something that's original to your YouTube channel. So if you have a TikTok channel and you already have short videos there, you can't repost that content on YouTube and have it count towards the YouTube Shorts Fund program. So just having an original short created within the month or within the past 180 days, so like in the month of November, if you had created a short within the past couple months, it would count towards the views to help you participate in the YouTube Shorts program. The participation and the qualification for it go from month to month. So if you have a short that was created last month, the views for it will still count for your participation in the program in this month of November. So a little bit of an interesting setup with it there, but essentially in order to qualify to participate in it, you just basically have to create a YouTube short video that's original and not borrowed from another third-party platform, and you just have to post it on your YouTube channel. Pretty simple in terms of getting your hand in the pot. The tricky part in terms of actually getting paid for your short is how they choose which videos or which shorts get compensated. So essentially there's no clearly defined metrics in terms of what determines who qualifies for a payment out of the Shorts Fund. So if you put in a YouTube short video, YouTube will determine based on their own metrics, whatever it is, they haven't clearly defined that, and they'll basically say, okay, your short video is worthy of being paid. And they mentioned that typically creators will be able to make between $100 to $10,000 a month from the YouTube Shorts Fund. So there's money to be made, obviously, but the issue is that you're not in complete control of that. You don't really have any influence or say on whether you're going to be able to qualify for it or even be chosen for it, because you can't do any optimization. I know with traditional YouTube videos, the long form content, we can be able to do keyword research, we can do keyword optimization in terms of our titles, in terms of the description. So we have some things that we can do to help our videos rank better and be able to perform better, which leads to more ads being placed on there and, obviously more income for you. But in terms of the shorts, there's really nothing you can do. All you have to do is just put your short in and then pray to God that YouTube chooses you to pay you for this program. So yes, monetization is there. Yes, you can make money using your shorts, but it's almost like playing a lottery. You really just kind of throw your video into play and pray that they choose you to be able to pay you. So that's in a nutshell the basis of the Shorts Fund program. Now the payment for the funds typically will go through your AdSense account. So if if you've ever gotten paid through AdSense, it'll just use the same process that you have there. But if you've never gotten paid through AdSense, then you just have to set up your AdSense account. And the way that they let you know that you've qualified is they'll actually send you an email the month that you actually get paid. So if you qualify in the month of, let's just say November, if you have a YouTube short that's chosen and they said, hey, you're good enough, we're gonna pay you something, they'll send you an email come December and let you know that, hey, you qualify for this payment, and then your payment will obviously show up in your AdSense account on the 25th or the 26th of the month. So essentially what you'll do is you'll get that email, you'll claim your funds, and then that'll pay out through your AdSense account whenever the date comes about. So if you don't have an AdSense account, you can still claim your funds. If you have gotten a shorts payout, you can still claim it. It'll just stay on your account until your AdSense setup is complete, and then you can cash out from there. So the good thing is, yes, you can monetize your YouTube shorts. Shorts are a lot simpler to make. They don't take as much thought or detail as long form content. So it's easy to get a bunch of them on and, pray that you qualify for that. So that's the good news. The good news is there is a way to be able to monetize that. The bad news is that you really don't have that much control over how you qualify for monetization for your shorts. And we also don't really know, there's no clear metrics on, hey, if you have this set number of views and if you have this set number of likes, you qualify for the program. It's just kind of all in the background, all in shadow, and just YouTube decides that, hey, they're good enough to be able to get a share of this money. So that's the general idea in terms of the Shorts Fund program. So if you guys were interested in monetizing your YouTube shorts, if that's something that you're really digging deep into, I highly recommend checking out some more information in terms of this YouTube Shorts Fund and just see how you can qualify and how you can take advantage of that. So to me, it seems like it's it's good that at least there's something to be able to get paid for, but I feel like they're really working hard to compete with TikTok, and I don't really think it's worth it. You already have a good platform. Why are they chasing the shorts version of this? So not really sure about the logic behind it. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. If you think it's a good idea for them to chase these short videos, and what you think about the shorts. I personally, I can take them or leave them. If I really want to see short videos, I'll go to TikTok or go to Instagram Reels or something like that. I come to YouTube to see more long form content, and that's what I expect when I come here. But let me know what you guys think. Hopefully this video helped you out, giving you a little bit of a better idea of how to actually monetize and get paid for those shorts, or the opportunity to be able to get paid for those shorts. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and tune in next time for some more right here on Cashed Out. Take it easy, guys.